Hello, good night. My name is Luisa. I am 28 years old. I am very thin and tall. I have short and brown hair. My hair length is under my shoulders. I have big and brown eyes and my face is long. I have long nose. I am very beautiful and my weight. I love myself. Um, List. Now I am going to describe my cousin. She is young and beautiful. Her name is Estefania and she has 22 years old. She is round face with pretty small eyes, with large eyelash. She is small in stature, with small nose. She has short and black hair. Um, Thank you, teacher.